Welcome ladies and gentlemen into this first tutorial of FPGA, normally known as Field Programmable Gate Array. Now in this tutorial we will talk about what an FPGA is, its historical overview, how this technology has been evolved over the years, and the devices, tools used to develop the logic implementations over this silicon based gadget, or in precise if we say integrated circuits. And after that the applications which are normally evolved and implemented using FPGA. Now firstly, before going into the contents and slideshow, I would like to tell a little about FPGA, what an FPGA is. An FPGA is a device consisting of large and huge amount of configurable logic blocks. These logic blocks contain logic, basic logic in it, usually consisted of sequential logic circuits or combination logic circuits. As we know, the basic circuits are logic circuits are AND gates and OR gates, plus their inverters, buffers, NOR gates, NAND gates, and universal gates like NOR gates, XNOR gates. Now what we have in FPGA is configurable logic block consisted of these basic fundamental gates along with few memory blocks and clock conditioning. Clock conditionings are the circuits which are used in different conditionings, like to create the delay in our program, or control the frequency level like DLL or PLL, etc. Now talking about FPGA, an FPGA has been in very lately a new device into this market, especially if we compare it to other devices like TTL, CMOS, basic fundamental IC circuits. These devices were evolved over the years by considering the need of the modern age electronics. And now if we talk about the historical overview of the device, then there is not much to talk about, since we know digital circuits were evolved very with the beginning of the transistor. The transistor is normally known for switching levels. We can create certain amount of switching with our transistors, and initially we know these gates and OR gates were created by using simple diodes. Later, when people saw the effectivity of the transistors, they used transistors to develop these logics. And now when fabrication technology came into being, then there were huge amount of ICs being developed, but initially it were only at a fixed level, which were not used for general purpose. Like for modern age we have microprocessors, other programmable logic devices, PLA, PAL, GL or PROM. Now let me take you into the slideshow before going further into this presentation.